Uh-oh, here we go. Let's get them, guys. I ain't gonna never forget this day, boy. Woo! Let's go, soldiers. Let's get them all.
No, it's terrible. They're getting kicked out just for expressing their rights.
Yeah. 6 away. Here we go.
Oh, God.
Tear gas squad, right?
Oh, God. Oh,
yeah.
my God.
Tear gas squad.
Yeah. Oh, God, they're going first to that. That little house was built by homeless people.
Mm-hmm.
It's been there since the beginning. They're going there first.
They hit the
Oh, man. Yeah.
Yeah.